I love swimming. It's really hot out and Daddy is asleep, so I set up the awesome 100-foot diving board. I'm just a little bit scared to climb it, since it's so tall.
Ha 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 ha, you're too scared to use the diving board. You're such a wimp, Caillou.
Am not.
Are too.
I am not a wimp.
You are, though. If you're not a wimp, then go jump off the diving board.
Okay, fine.
What a moron.
Holy shit, this is so high in the sky, this will hurt like a bitch. I don't wanna. Oh, shit. No. This was such a mistake, oh my god.
Caillou, what the fuck did you do, and where is Rosie?
My fat ass broke the diving board, and Rosie is somewhere underwater.
Caillou, you're mega grounded for 99,866,475,234,856 years. I cannot believe that you did this. You are actually such a massive idiot. You need to learn how to be smart.
Wah.